Okay. Chops. Chops, come here. Chops. Come here, Chops. Chops. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, girl. Yeah. Come here. Come here. We got you food, water. I'm gonna get you some new food. We need some new food for you. Oh my god, you need new food already? Don't eat that. And we got some ice. Don't you love ice? You love ice, right? Come on, pour this in here. Dogs need water in the summertime. But most need ice. I like to put like a little bit of ice in here. Yeah, that's a little bit. Just a little more. It wouldn't hurt. And then I leave like three left. Walk over to my dog. Oh, you eat that already? You want more? You want more? Okay. Since my brother's gone, I kind of forgot to give her ice today, so this will help. Ice maker been making lots of stuff lately. Lots of good stuff. You have to eat that first. My gosh. This is the perfect weather for flies to roam, isn't it? I wish flies would stop trying to go on me. Also, who just knocked? Was it Lonnie? We have like lots of dogs around. And Chops? She's so cute. But of course I have one more ice cube. One more ice cube. And she gets it if she sits. Stand up. Up. Chops. Show them your trick. Up. Yep, up. No, not. Okay, lay down. Lay down. 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 No. She still ate it, but it's okay because she has more than that in there. So, bye my loyal puppy. Kinda loyal.